Today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new HONORView20.
The HONORView20 perfectly encapsulates the evolution of mobile tech as we hurtle towards the next decade.
Instead of having the notch in the middle, it has this really smooth cutout.
But it is a step up from the notch and it does look quite futuristic.
On YouTube, you're able to stretch to fill the whole screen and you see you're getting the full screen experience.
That blue shimmering Blade Runner-esque chevron design is one of the most eye-catching I've ever seen.
Take a snap, she was moving, let's see how the focus works. This is just AI focus, guys. 48 megapixels. 48!
Meanwhile, that pinhole camera up front is a 25 megapixel shooter.
This is one of the best IPS displays I have ever seen. But look at those colors.
So this is what I'm going to call the hole punch. So yes, of course, different companies are going to call it different things. And it's a 6.4 inch 2310 by 1080 display. So as far as we can tell, this is the future of smartphone design.
Performance-wise, this device is a beast.
It's fast as well. You get either 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, 128 or 256 gigs of storage, and the latest Kirin 980 processor.
Undoubtedly one of the best affordable flagship phones out there.
But I have to say, I am really excited about this phone.